Hey, what's going on, guys? So today we're gonna show you how to fix the back window of your truck. If you have a truck that has a sliding window, I'm gonna show you how to fix it in a very easy way, very cost-effective way, and it should be a long-lasting way. So basically, I had a broken window here that it was just recently broken with an ATV. So for this, you're gonna need a good tape. You're gonna need like a clear film. In this case, I use a one of these things I use for the plastic wrap that I use for the kitchen. And then after that, you're gonna make sure that you're gonna place the tape on the top, and it has to cover all the corners. You have to give it about an inch, maybe inch and a half. Outside of that border of the plastic wrap. I did it in this case. I did a square because the hole is mostly like a circular hole. The windows, you can clearly say, is shattered, so at some point it's gonna fall apart. But this thing should definitely keep it in place, at least for the time that you can for a good time, so you can get some money and hopefully replace it with something more more durable. So again, you put the plastic wrap on top of the hole. Make sure that you have a vacuum in case that some of the glass falls inside the truck, so nobody gets hurt. So we're gonna put, like I said, we're gonna put the tape at the top. We're gonna put the bottom. Make sure that all the corners are covered. So I like to do a very professional job when it comes to placing a tape. So I just pull the tape with my index finger, my thumb, right? And then after that, you kind of guesstimate how long it has to be. And then after that, you just go ahead and use your canines. They are very sharp ways to cut the tape. And after you have the tab, then just go ahead. You're gonna place the tape on the window. Just kind of make sure that it kind of doesn't look too bad, right? And make sure that you don't apply a lot of pressure, because you might be breaking the rest of the window. So again, not a lot of pressure. And you're gonna do the same thing at the bottom. So we're gonna demonstration how to cut the tape. Okay, how to cut a pretty good piece of tape. Again, use your canines for this. And then after you have the tape, I'm gonna just place it at the bottom. In this case, I'm gonna try to put it in a vertical position. Oh, if this thing happens, make sure that you pull, but don't pull too hard. Oh, well, anyways, you get the idea. So, tape on the corner. If you want to follow me for the next videos, I'm going to show you how to fix a vacuum that is already messed up. So, I'll catch up with you guys later. Have a good one.